The Rotman Open House provides a wonderful opportunity for students to experience a little bit about Rotman, both meeting faculty, meeting some staff, as well as taking part in some sample classes where they can see a little bit of how the professors teach and what they might learn.
As students coming to Rotman, you'll be learning from world thought leaders, people who are on the cutting edge of knowledge. What sets Rotman apart is that we take learning and research and we put it into action.
When you come to Rotman, what you will find is a space where you can develop yourself, both interpersonally and interpersonally. And not only will you be able to work on the technical skills, you will actually be given space and people to help you work on this self-awareness. Rotman is the only school that has a whole lab dedicated to precisely this problem.
We always tell students doing an MBA program is one of the most important decisions in their career, and there's no better way of doing your research and due diligence about what to expect from an MBA than being here at Rotman and experiencing it firsthand.